So here we are, late summer, and I want to take a few minutes to talk about what our plants need from us right now. You may know this already, but hopefully it's a good reminder. Number one, water. I don't know about where you are, but here in Maine, it's been very dry. So I am out here pretty much watering every morning. My vegetables, I water every 3 or 4 days. Water's important right now. And when you do water, I know you know this, but friendly reminder, water at the base of the plant. Try not to get water on the foliage because that can create powdery mildew and other issues and sunburn, etc. Best to water early in the morning. If you can't because you have a job and you have to go to work, then my other favorite time is right now. It's about 5:30, so it's still breezy, sun's still up a bit, the leaves have a chance to dry, and the sun won't dry out your wonderful watering job. So water, water, water. Second thing, your plants are getting tired, especially your annuals. They've been good to you all summer long so far. They need to be fed. Water soluble fertilizer, even if you put in a time release fertilizer when you planted them, which I did, every 2 weeks now I'm doing a water soluble fertilizer, and they're loving it. So that's important, especially for your annuals, your hanging baskets. Feed those babies. If you have veggies as I do, I'm feeding them now every 2 weeks. I'm using a tomato tone. If you're not sure what to use, ask your landscape center what is best, but mine seem to be happy when I work that in. So food, water, pruning. Things are going and growing a little crazy right now. So especially your hanging baskets, especially petunias. I have one, I just cut that back because they're getting a little leggy. Best to do that so they'll divert their energy back into the plant and create more of a bushy, full plant for you. Also, lift up, your hanging basket plants, and if you see anything under that's dead, yellow leaves, get rid of all of that. I also prune my tomatoes and my cucumbers. There's a lot of discussion about that here. How should you prune suckers, not prune suckers? Is your tomato determinate, indeterminate? I basically do what feels good to me, and it's working. So the reason I prune my cucumbers and my tomatoes, I prune anything that's touching the ground, or the reason, or what I do, I don't know. That helps prevent disease. I like to prune the tomato leaves up for better airflow. And same thing with my cucumbers. I prune just to create better airflow, but I don't overdo it. Or anything that doesn't look really healthy, I take it off. So watering, feeding, pruning, and inspecting. Now's the time when all the little buggers want to come out and eat all of your hard work. I have a word for them I won't use because I don't want this video to be deleted by YouTube. But yeah, they bug me. So I have apple trees. Japanese beetles are an issue. I keep an eye out for those. Any kind of worms or insects on your vegetables. These are the things you want to look out for right now. And if you see something, say something. If you don't know what to do, how to get rid of it, go to your local landscape expert, your landscape center. They've got all sorts of products and all sorts of tips and tricks to help you get those buggers out of your garden. Hopefully those tips helped you so you can continue to enjoy all of your hard work late into the summer season. Thanks for hanging out with me in my Maine gardens. Talk later. Bye.